Sorry about that, guys. The timer got cut off. All right, so we talked about lock. Now let's talk about out, okay? Out can be something that y'all call on the field, or it can be something that Coach Dickerson, myself, or Coach Carlberg calls from the sideline for you guys to run, okay? The difference between lock and out is this. In out, your eyes are going to key the number 2 receiver, okay? So both the corner and the safety are going to key number 2. If he breaks out, 5 yards or less is going to be our initial rule. All right, the corner comes off number 1 and takes number 2. All right, then the safety would then take number 1. All right, it can be something we call, it can be based off alignment over here. All right, if they get in a tight split, the corner can play outside leverage. All right, and again, this is all stuff we'll teach you guys, and we'll make our adjustments of how we want to do it as we go along, okay? Same responsibilities for the linebackers, okay? So lock and out are the 2 coverages we'll run on the first day versus deuce, all right? Then we have cover 1, okay? And this is what we'll run every time there's a dog in the game. We'll run cover 1 because typically, and we know this, the dog is a kid that's probably either a defensive end or a linebacker type of body, right? Not as fast as our safeties. Well, you don't want to waste a skill kid on somebody that our linebacker can cover man-to-man, all right? The Sam's going to key the dog anyway, right? If he goes in, we go in. If they block down, he comes here, we come set the edge, right? So why are we going to waste a safety on him? Now, we'll be smart about it too. If they put a receiver right there, we can check back to lock or to out, all right? So if all of a sudden we're playing Mill Creek in the Bend, start the season, and they sneak in one of their receivers that we know by studying personnel right here, yeah, we'll call it off, right? But for our base rule, we're going to play cover 1. So with that, we're either going to call 1 out or 1 lock, okay? So 1's going to say that the safety to the side of the dog, all right, is free, all right? He's going to key him. So if he runs right here and we get a double team there and he comes to kick out the anchor, it's power, right? We're going to come fit, all right? If he runs counter, backside, guess where he's going to go? He's going to come fit. If he comes out on a route, well, we know it's pass now. Guess what? We'll roll to the middle of the field and help these players over here. Over here, you guys are going to make your same call, okay? It's either lock or out. And again, it can be something that myself or one of the DB coaches can call from the sideline, or y'all can check it once we get comfortable with it. You can run lock or out. The most important thing is that you're on the same page. The safety is the player that makes the call, okay? It's based off of their comfortability. If they feel like they can't get to number 2, if he goes out now, we'll call out. Or if they run a bubble, he's the one that calls it. Make sure you communicate, use your hand signals. Don't assume you're on the same page. If you call out and he doesn't say anything back to you, what coverage are we in? You don't know. You have to get a response back and do everything in your power to get one. Yell at him, scream at him, make sure we know. All right, so let's say the dog was on this side. I don't have it drawn up, but let's say that. Same thing, right? He's going to line this, look, make sure we have the 2 shell. All right, and he's still the free safety. All right, guys, that's it. I'm going to let y'all go. See you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we'll be able to do it face-to-face. If not, I'll put out another PowerPoint for install. Get your mind right. See y'all.